malapit na tayo magtapos, pakiready na lang din po yung mga candle kasi mamaya sisindihan na po yan. So now tawagin po natin si Miss Jaella and Ade Guevara. Okay, sabay po silang pagbibigay ng message.
Hello. Happy Legality Shy, and I hope this year brings you hope and laughter. Lagi mong tandaan na hindi ka nag-iisa. Hello? Kasi meron kang mga tao na nakapaligid sa iyo, nasusuportahan ka sa lahat at gagabayan ka. Thank you for always bringing so much joy to us, and I'm proud of you, Shy, always. Love you, girl. Love you, my girl at the back.
Hi, Shai! Happy 18th birthday! Nasa age ka na to make careful decisions sa life. Alam mo yan. Thank you for being so super supportive friend at mahal na kami. I just wanna say I'm so proud of you sa kung ano ka ngayon. You got lost once. Nakita ko yung grabe struggle mo that time. And now, grabe yung improvement mo sa sarili mo. Kaya nakaka-proud. And nakita ko kung paano ka mag-strive, kung anong achievements mo na meron ka ngayon. And I know, grade 11 pressure will be proud of you too. I just want to say, continue to enjoy life kahit na mahirap. Don't always pressure yourself sa life. Be that girl who never loses hope sa pagkamit sa dreams and goals sa life. And just be your real self as always. Happy 18th birthday again, Shai. Good luck with kapwa din this time.
Ayan, pinaiyak nyo, lagot kayo. Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Jaella and Mama Deng. And now, let's have Mama Sema Ordones. Palakpakan din natin. Ako,
Hi, Shang. Wait lang. May script kasi ako. Sabi mo, kailangan lang unwritten Ayan. Happy 18th birthday. Yeah. Time flies really fast. Kasi parang, naalala mo yon dati, nung pandemic days, pinag-uusapan natin kung ano yung magiging life natin pag nag-enter tayo ng senior high, pag nag-enter tayo ng adulthood. Pero, look at you now, bro! You're literally celebrating your 18th birthday, and I'm so happy and thankful na I'm still part of it. Ayan. Naalala ko na tuwing nagkikita talaga tayo, hindi mawawala yung mga handwritten letters, di ba? Parang naging love language na natin yung magbigay ng ng handwritten letters sa isa't isa. And ayun din yung part na pinaka-love ko sa'yo kasi parang kahit walang parang occasion or something na very important, you're always giving me a gift to remind me na there are always pressure na nandyan sa left and right ko, back and front ko. Ganyan. Thank you, Shang, for being the kindest person you could ever be. Kasi kahit na kapag nakikita tayo, hindi mawawala yung anuhan, pero ang motto natin is dinidescribe lang naman natin sila, di ba? And always remember that there are many people looking forward for you to feel the love and genuine happiness that you deserve, and rooting for you to achieve all your dreams that we once talked about, and being proud of you for being the person you are right now. Kasi sabi nga nila, may mga times talaga na alam ko nasa lowest point ka ng life mo. Super hinang-hina ka na, super pagod ka na, pero nakikita ko na you're always striving and you're doing your best to become a better person and to become a better version of yourself. Kaya, I'm so proud of you, and ayun. Hello! Yun lang. Super proud ako sa determination and perseverance mo sa lahat ng bagay, and yun, sana mag-last until forever yung friendship na meron tayo. Yun lang. Happy birthday, and I love you, siya.
Wow, isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan. Alright, and now, let's have Julian Gallego.
So, hi Fresh HBD, MBTC. Ayan, so to our dearest Fresh remember to cherish the moments both big and small. Continue to strive for your dreams and remain to be the energetic and happy person you are. And of course, syempre, let God be the center of your life, your goals, your dreams, and your relationship. Pero wag muna lagot ka. Lagot ka kay Ginang throughout the year. So I pray that the Lord will grant you all the desires of your heart. Love you, Precious.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Julian. And now, let's have Miss Bea Rile.
Hello, Fresh. Hello. Hello, Fresh High, our baby girl. Happy 18th birthday. You're an adult but you're still learning so. And ang bilis din ng mga panahon, 18 ka na. 18 is the start of so many exciting adventures. Sana kasama din kami doon. And wish ko lang is mag-aral ka lang ng maigi, always na kayo kinikita. Tapos sana tuloy-tuloy at matapos na yung course mo kahit sobrang stress yung naging kukunin ng course. And huwag kang nakakalimot, always pray and enjoy our life. Gala po ba na dito magkasa? Hindi ko na binasa lahat. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Bea. And now, the second to the last. Ay, lalo siyang kakabahan, no? Kasi pinapatagal ko. Okay, let's welcome Miss Lady Gallego. Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Lady.
Hi, Shang! Happy birthday! Finally, no more minor moments. Wish ko sa'yo is continue and keep striving your dreams, Doc. Yan lang, and sana, please, don't rush things, okay? I love you!
Thank you so much, Miss Lady. And now, for the last 18th candle, let's have Miss Beng Rile. Palakpakan po natin si Tita Beng.
Anong gusto mo? Wala akong sulat. Actually, prepared talaga, no? Pero biglang, sa dami ng ginawa, alam niyo yan, busy-busy ang tita. So, nawala si papel. O, nasa isip ko, anong gusto mo? Totoo? Joke-joke lang na. Gusto niyo yung buko ko na? Okay. Alam mo naman si Presya is mabait na bata. Okay? Just continue. Okay? Growing old. Basta maging magalang na sa magulang. Number one, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit gusto mo, tita, dyan ako sa Pasig. Okay, but magpapaalam kay mama. Ngayon, ipapaalam na kita. Mamaya daw Pasig. No? Actually, yung Pasig, okay, taga-Pasig, dun sila, nakikita ko yung enjoyment nila with the cousin. Talagang sobrang, doon ko narinig si Presya na, oh my God, si Presya tumatanda na, okay? Going older na. So, yung naing, hindi ko na ibubuko. Si tita na lang talaga nakakaalam. Basta, always si tita nandito. Kahit naririnig ko yung mga hinaing mo sa buhay, pagka kayo nagkakasama-sama magpipinsan, alam ko, lahat kayo, iisa ang goal nyo, maging magtagumpay sa buhay. Basta, keep praying, okay? Laging magdasal, laging maging masunurin, whatever, ha? Kahit anong galit ng mama, ng papa, si mama pa rin nagtatakbuhan, okay? Respectful, kasi alam mo ganun ka, isang mabait, okay, isang maalalahanin, at isang sweet na bata, okay? Presya, happy birthday. Tita loves you. Okay. Basta si tita nandito mamaya ulit. Tama.
Yes, the very busy tita of all time. So, isang malakas po na palakpakan, and there you have our 18th candle. So, please form a curve line para isa-isa pong mablow ni Miss Presya ang hawak niyo pong candle. So, at this moment, Isa-isa pong ibublow po yan ni Miss Presha. And sa ating mga guests, okay, may I ask for your participation to please clap your hands habang binublow po ni Miss Presha yung mga candles. So, sa pag-clap nyo po, hindi po kayo titigil hanggat hindi niya po natatapos ihipan or i-blow lahat ng candle. Okay po ba? Okay, simulan. 4, 3, 2, go! Let's clap our hands! Happy 18th birthday, Miss Presha! Ayan, nasa legal age ka na. And finally, ayan, malapit ka na sa pag-abot mo ng iyong mga pangarap. And thank you din sa lahat ng participants natin for the 18 candles for expressing your love sa ating debutant. And now, thank you so much for your participation. Now, let's have the photo opportunity, okay? Let's have the photo opportunity of our debutant together with the 18 candles. Okay? Smile po, smile lahat and pakita lahat sa camera. Smile! Alright, another shot. Please show us your wacky pose. Ayan, wacky pose. Okay, wacky. Ayan, wacky po. Alright. Okay, thank